have already seen the tens complement. Today we will going to see the twos complement. Okay, how to find the twos complement. So let's say I have to find twos complement of 1 0 1 1 0 0. The same mathematic we have to use, that is we have to find the ones complement of a number and then we have to add 1 to it. Step first, find the ones complement of 1 0 1 1 0 0. So what will be the ones complement of this? It will be 0 1 0 0 1 1. Okay, then step 2, add 1 to the ones complement, add 1 to the ones complement. So if I add 1 to this, that is I add 1 plus 1 to it. So what will be the answer? 1 plus 1 0 means 10, 1 will be the carry, 1 plus 1 again 10, 1 will be the carry. Okay, 1 plus 0 1. Okay, then 0 1 0. As we have already told you that whenever we are talking about the complement, so the complements was used to simplify the subtraction operation, because what you have seen in the class that when we were performing the subtraction, what we were doing, we were trying, suppose this is my 0 and this is 1, so this 0 minus 1, so what I have to do, I have to take a borrow, and when we are doing this borrowing, what we were taking, actually we were taking borrow of 2, so this was number was replaced by the 2. So but we were doing it mathematically by hands. Okay, so when we are talking about the digital computers, we always have a number in the zeros and one. So to borrow this two concept, when we are doing it practically in the digital electronics or whatever the machine you have got, when we are doing the subtraction of a number, we cannot borrow 2, we can only have a borrow 1 or 0. So how this operation can be performed when we have a subtraction, when we are having a subtraction in a digital machine, so how this operation can be performed? So for that purpose, what we were doing, we were using a twos complement. Scientist has come up with the algorithm which is known as the twos complement, so that you, whenever you are borrowing a number, you cannot borrow 2. What you can do, instead of borrowing a number, what you can do, you can perform a complement of a number and simply add it. This concept is clear to you? With the help of example, I will going to show you that also. I'm just repeating. What I'm trying to say is that whenever we have got a number, okay, let's say we have a number x minus y. So this will be my result. So what I will do, instead of minus, doing the minus, what I will do, I will replace this minus with the plus. Okay, I will going to replace this minus with the plus. So what we will do, we will take a help of a complement and we will going to find the complement of a number which we have to subtract, and then simply what we will do, we will going to perform a simple addition of it, and you will get the same answer which you are expecting. So let me take an example. We have got certain rules. So whenever we are doing the subtraction of an n digit number, okay, so what we have got, we have got n digit number. So n digit, you understand, suppose we are saying 2 3 4, so what is the n value? N value is equal to 3. If we are saying 1 2 3 4, the n value is equal to 4. Okay, this is clear. So whenever we have got a n digit unsigned number, so unsigned means when you are not saying whether this number is a positive number or a negative number. So in a digital electronics, we have got a sign magnitude. So with the help of a MSB, okay, whenever we are writing some digit, let's say 10001, so whenever we will going to talk about the sign number, I'm saying sign number, okay, whenever we will going to talk about the sign number, let's say if I am saying this is a sign number, so with the help of this MSB, this is the most significant bit, MSB, okay, this is the most significant bit. Okay, with the help of this most significant bit, I can say whether my number is a positive number or my number is a negative number. I will come to it as we will going to proceed. I will going to take an example of a sign number, what are sign numbers, and how to identify whether it is a positive number or negative number. When there is no role of this MSB, So if I'm writing 10001 and we are not counting this MSB digit, MSB bit to represent the number, so this number are known as the unsigned. Okay, so whenever we are taking a MSB, so we can say the number can be either positive or negative. Okay, and when we are not taking this MSB, so we will going to take a total decimal equivalent of it. Okay, so just we can leave it in a side and we will going to come to it. So what we are saying n digit unsigned number. Okay, that means we are not talking about this right now. Is it clear? We are not talking about the signed number, we are talking about the unsigned number. Okay, so let's say we have two n digit unsigned number and we have to perform a subtraction for this. The two numbers which we have got are m and n, and we are doing the subtraction in the base r. Okay, and they have a base r. So what the rules say, so let me write the rules. First rule, what you have to find out is that, let's say, add the minand m, whatever the minand means, if suppose I am doing the subtraction like m minus n. So what the rules say, that add the minand. What is the minand? Can you tell me what will be the minand? M. Yes, add the minand. So I'm, instead of writing minand, I'm writing m. Add the m. Okay, add the m to the r's complement, of subtractant. What will be the subtractant? Subtractant will be n. So what we have to do? We have to add m to the r's complement of n. Means whatever the negative number we are subtracting, say minus n. So whatever the minus number we are subtracting, we have to take the r's complement of it. First step is clear to you? We have to take the r's complement of it. Okay, then what we have to do? If second rule say, if m is greater than equal to n. Okay, if m is greater than equal to n. So let's say if I'm talking about like this, let me over here take this. Suppose I'm taking m equal to 10 and n equal to 6. So what will be m minus n? I have taken a decimal equivalent of it 4. That means m is greater than n. Okay, if m is equal to 10 and n is equal to 10, then what will be the answer? Answer will be 0. Okay, so I'm just taking this two case. Okay, that whenever this m can be is this, when we take this result, the answer will be positive, and when m is equal to 10 and n is equal to 10, the answer will be 0. And the third case is m equal to 10 and n equal to, let's say, 12. What will be the answer? The answer will be negative. This three cases clear to you? So first two case, I'm combining first two case, positive and 0. If m is greater than equal to n, then what happened? When you add these two numbers, when m is greater than n, when you add these two numbers, that is m plus n, when you will go do this m plus n, it will produce and carry. It will going to produce the and carry, and what you have to do, whatever the and carry you have got, you have to simply discard it. When we are performing m plus n, and n is in the form of, this n is in the form of r's complement. So when you compute m plus n in the r's complement, so it will going to produce the and carry, and that and carry, if it is being produced out, you can do what? You can discard it. This is clear to you? The third case is that if m is less than n, so what will happen? It will not get any and carry. You will not get any and carry. You are getting? So what you have to do? This third case is very important. Okay, so listen it carefully. You will not get any and carry. So what you have to do? You have to take that numbers, whatever the numbers you have got. Okay, so whatever the answer you get, okay, let's say you get the answer m plus n. Okay, and this n is in the r's complement. So whatever the answer you get, let's say I am getting the resultant r, let's say you are getting this resultant r. So what you have to do is that you have to take the r's complement of it. You again have to take the r's complement of the sum, whatever the sum you have got, and you have to put a minus symbol out of it. Okay, I'm just repeating the three rules again. First rule say that whatever the number you have got, whichever the number you are subtracting, you have to take the complement of it. So let's say if I'm taking m minus n, so I have to take a complement of the n. This is clear. Now what we have to see? We have to see that whether this m which we are subtracting, this m is greater than or equal to n or not. Okay, so what we have to do? So whenever we will going to add these two numbers, you can see that 10 plus 6, it will going to produce 16. It will going to produce a 16. So definitely we will be getting some and carry. That means whenever we will add 1 plus 1, it will have some another number and carry. We will have a carry. So what we can do? We can discard that carry. Rule number 2 is clear. Rule number 3 say that when m is less than n, you will not get any carry, because we are already in the negative number. We will already get the negative number. Let's say 10 minus 12. What you will get? Answer will be minus 2. And if you are writing that 2, so definitely you will be getting the 0 in the MSB position. So you will not be getting that carry around it. So what you have to do, that whatever the sum you have got when m plus n, whatever the resultant sum you have got, what you have to do, you again have to take the r's complement of it, and you have to put a negative sign on it. This will be more clear with the help of an example. So let me take an example. Okay, so I will take this example and I will going to proceed very slowly. Let's say I have to subtract two numbers using the tens complement. I will be writing short form of a complement. Okay, is it? So I am writing using tens complement. Okay, subtract. Okay, let's say I am taking 72532, 72532 minus 3250. 325. So let me move to the solution. So what will be the m? This will be your m and this will be your n. Okay, what is the n number of this? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, what is the n value here? N equal to 4. Okay, these two things is clear. So one thing you have to remember, that n is equal to 5 and n equal to 4. So what we have to make, whenever we will going to subtract it, first thing we have to make that whenever we have got this n equal to 4, we have to make it n equal to 5. So how we can make it n equal to 5? By just adding a 0. If I add 0 in front of this, so it will going to change into the 5. So now the bit positions, with the bit position which we have got, we have our same bit position, that is 5 5. So first step is clear to you. Now come to another. So what I have to do, what I have told you, that let's say what I have to do, first I have to select a m number. So I will going to take a m number, and then what I have to do, I have to find the tens complement of n. So what is my m? My m is 72532. My m is 72532, and I have to take the n's complement of 3250. So how I can find the 3250 complement? I will take 99999. First I will going to perform 9's complement of it, 03250. So just add, what will be the answer? Can you tell me? Just check it out, and plus 1. So this will going to give you the tens complement. So what will be the answer? 96750. So this will be 96750. Is it clear? So I will going to put this tens complement here. Okay, so I will going to write here 96750. Now you can see that m is greater than n. M is greater than n. So we will simply do the addition of it. So do the addition of it. What will you get? Total is 16928. You are getting 16. What is 16928? 16928. 9282. So what was the n value? N value was 5. N value was 5. So I will going to take this 5 values. I will going to select this n equal to 5 only. And what I can do? I can discard it or I can ignore it. So what will be my answer? My answer will be only 69282. My answer will be 69282. So now you can also check it from here. Just for the sake of verification, we can also check it from here. If I write 72532 and 03250 here, so I can, when I will going to subtract it, I will get 2, I will get 4, 13 minus 5, what will be the answer? 8, 4, 2, 2, we will have 6, 12 minus 3, 9 and 6. This is my same answer. When m is greater than equal to n, then we discard. So you can see here m, we have got this value m, this m is greater. So you can see this m is greater than n. So we can discard it. Okay. Now what we will do? We will going to reverse it. Okay. We will going to reverse it now. So what we have done? We have used a tens complement to subtract m minus n. Now we will going to reverse the number. Okay. So when we will going to reverse the number, what will happen? That n will become your m and m will become your n. Okay. So let me take this another example. So let's say I am writing now m equal to, what is my number? M 3250 and n equal to, what was my number? 72532. 72532. Okay. Now tell, and I have to perform the tens complement. I have to perform the subtraction using tens complement. So what will be the case? So now you can easily see that m is less than n. Is it clear? M is less than n. Okay. So what we will do? We will put a 0 here. So we will going to take m. Same, we have done the same procedure. Then we will going to take the tens complement of n. Okay. So what was my m? My m is 020035250. Find the tens complement of this. 72532. Find the tens complement of this. What will be the answer? Please let me know. So this will be the answer. 27468, 27458 or 68. Okay, 27468. Okay, so what I will do? I will going to put it here. I will going to put it here. 27468. Now do the addition of it. What will be the answer of this addition? Can you tell me? 30718. Yeah. Okay, I am writing here. 30718. Do we get any AND carry? Do we get any AND carry? No. Okay. So what we can see that there is no AND carry here. So I am writing here like this. No AND carry. So what we have to do? Whatever the sum we have got, we have to take the complement of it and we have to put it minus. So what will be the answer? What will be my answer? My answer will be this. I have to put a minus symbol here in front of this and I have to take the tens complement of 30718. I have to take a minus symbol of tens complement of 30718. So can you find out what will be the tens complement of 30718? 99999 30718. Find out what will be the answer. 18296. 6928 plus 1 for tens complement. So 69282. This will be the answer. So what will be my answer? My answer will be minus 69282. Okay, now you can check it whether you are getting this answer or not. Okay, just subtract it that you are getting this minus answer or not. Okay, so let me show this also. If I subtract these two numbers, so let's say I have a 03250 minus 72532. So what will be my answer? Can you tell me? This will going to come up 69282 only. You are getting it? You can use the calculator. You can see how easily the subtraction is being performed. With the help of our complements, we can easily find out the things. Let's say I have two numbers, x equal to, let's say I am giving 1010, 1010, 100, and y equal to 100011. Can you find the 2's complement of it? How we can do? We have to take this binary equivalent. So what we have to do, this binary equivalent is 84 and this is I think 67. So again this m is greater than n. So what we have to do, we have to simply take the 2's complement of this. So what will be the 2's complement of this? 0 1 1 1 0 0 and then add 1. So 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 and then you add this x to it. 1 0 1 0 1 0 0. What will be the answer? 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1. This is the answer you are getting. Just check it. You can discard this. You can discard this. The answer will be your 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. You can just check it. Okay, so thank you everyone. I hope you enjoyed today's lecture.